make one easy recipe. Let's see how he is doing.
And there are only 4 ingredients needed to make the sandwich. Let's get started.
Today we are making egg sandwich.
Hello all, today I'm going to show you how to make the sandwich. There are 4 ingredients only needed to make this. Let's get started. First, we need 2 eggs. Let's put these aside. Second, we need a string. Not too much, not too less. Then, we take our egg one by one, push it down. I am not a professional at this, somebody help me. This is hard. Then you chop it down. Take the piece that you take it back into the bowl. Again, you repeat that until the egg is fully cut. You can do it like special patterns and many more things like that. Our eggs are cut. After that, we need 4 slices of bread, butter with butter spoon, our early cutted eggs, cheese, pepper in a salt shaker, and salt in a salt shaker, and then a sandwich maker. Now apply the butter onto the bread. Take some butter and place it. When one is done, repeat the same thing on and on until you get all of them done. Again, put it on here. That one done. Done. Your 4 butter breads are done. Turn on the sandwich maker. Meanwhile, you have to arrange egg onto the bread. Then add cheese once you're fully done. Because I am done, I am putting it. Now add salt and pepper. Just sprinkle a little. After this, you close it with bread slice. And then you put it into the heated sandwich maker. Close it. Wait for it to bake. Bake for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we'll do the other ones. Then you add cheese. Recommended cheese a lot. Then add salt. And then this back on. So after that, let's check our sandwich that we made before. Nice. Let's put the newer sandwich in and tightly close it for better experience. And recommended you can have it with ketchup. It came out like a guy. If you want to make these are really good. I'm gonna eat them out of my dinner. This is the final sandwich, which is the 4 ingredients. And if you're getting bored of eating normal bread and egg, you can make this. Even kids can make this by themselves without any help from their mother or father or brother or sister. So, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe. Have a great day.